Okay, to add Toaster notifications, we're going to use a very popular jQuery plugin called Toaster. So in Package Manager console, install package Toaster. Okay, now we need to go to our bundle config. In the CSS bundle, I'm going to add content/toaster.css. And in our lib bundle, I'm going to add /scripts/toaster.js. Now back to our form. When we successfully post the form, we're going to use toaster.success to display a message. Rentals successfully recorded. And similarly, in the fail method, we can use toaster.error. Let's say something unexpected happened. Let's test this. Build. Back to the browser. All right, I'm going to fill out the form. There you go. Next, we're going to implement client-side validation.